everybody, my name is JynellTrail. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be doing a sponsored video, a hair tutorial and also a review. But before we get into this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to drop your comments. Don't forget to subscribe, turn your post notification bell on, and yeah, let's get into today. Alright, so at the end of the video I will tell you guys, I'll give you guys more information about or more details about this here, but for now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I'm going to install this here. So they sent me 8 packs of passion twist here, and in the length 22 inches. So but I will be doing some short maybe like a bob length passion twist. So this is my hair, freshly washed and stretched, not with heat. I washed it yesterday, put some braids in it, and now this is what we have. Alright, so for this tutorial I will be doing the rubber band method. So I'm just gonna take a few rubber bands, add some oil to it just so it doesn't break my hair. So now I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair, and I'll be doing some jumbo ones. Watch for it. I'll be doing some jumbo ones, so yep. So once you have your first section ready, you're gonna go ahead and add some edge control. You can use any edge control of your preference. I'll be using this one, and I cannot find my edge brush. Alright, let me go find my edge brush. Back. So I found my edge brush, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my edge control. In a position where I feel your body missing, and you got me reminiscing on the times that we had. The definition of true beauty in my vision, #1, no competition, so I want you so bad. You're begging, show me no apologies. Let me fulfill all of your fantasies. Hear the song, strings and keys, kicks naughty, bringing back these memories. I can't let you go. Go in with my rubber band. Let you know, girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always. I'm not gonna do this too snug because I don't want it to be pulling, tugging like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'll repeat the same step throughout my entire head, and I'll be right back to show you guys what my
Come closer, get a couple drinks,
this is what my hair is looking like.
Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and get these passion twists in. So because I'm going for an asymmetrical look, I will be cutting the ones that I'll be putting in the back, but for the front I won't cut them because I don't want the back and the front to be on the same length. So I will be cutting the back portion cut it in half. So I'll be using 3 strands per or 4 strands per section. Yes, because it's jumbo, so 4 strands per section. Like so, like that. Separate them a little bit. And I'll also be doing the crochet method. Separate.
Makes me wonder why I let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know.
Grab my crochet needle. Hold on. Hold up. Wait a minute. Way. Grab my one section, take the crochet needle, put it under. Oh.
Now I'm in a position where I feel your body missing, and you got me reminiscing on the times that we had.
Grab the hair, give it a little twist. You know, I think I'm gonna do no. Oh. You know what? I'm gonna twist the end. Makes more sense.
Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. I'll be loving you in every way. I'll be touching you in every way.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some cheese bond, edge control to my hair and blend that in with the fashion twist here. I'm gonna gather it up and start twisting. And then once I get to the end or to my desired length, I will be adding a rubber band. Here. The rubber band.
Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. I'll be loving you in every way. I'll be touching you in every way.
Like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut the excess here off. Like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same steps throughout my entire head, and once I get to the top, I'll be back to show you. So I am on my last two. As you guys can see, the twist are twisted. It's just like I like it. That's how I wanted it to be. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do the top part. So the top part, I did the top part a little bit different simply because I didn't want it to be... Alright, so let me show you guys. So this is the crochet one, right? So this one is a little bit poofy at the root, right? So this one I did the braid. This one is a little bit flat. So because this is the top, I didn't want it to look poofy at the top, so I did the braid so it can look flat at the top. And yeah, if that makes sense to you. That's what I did. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I did it. So I take 4 strands of passion twist here. I don't separate them right away. So what I did is take it like this, then I grip my hair like so, then I start braiding it. Braid. I braid to like 1 inch using my hair as the 3rd base. Then around here, then I go ahead and split my hair into 2. Split my hair into 2. Add my edge control, which is finished. I love that for me. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the end, my ear end, to blend that in with the extension. Then I start to twist.
Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. I'll be loving you in every way. I'll be touching you in every way.
Yep, like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. I'm just gonna scrape out the remaining edge control that I have. Put it on the back of my hand. And it's there. So now that I have my 4 strands, I'm just gonna open them up like so. And braid. So wrap it around my hair like this, using my hair as the 3rd base. Don't mind the dogs in my background if you can hear them. I'm just gonna braid to 1 inch or 1 inch down, like so. Then I'm gonna bring this back in the middle, split my hair into 2, like this. Add the edge control to the ends of my hair to blend it in with the passion twist here. Twist all the way down.
Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Let you go.
And there you have it. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. Do something with my face. Get into this look. Yeah. Alright, so I did this half up, half down look. This hair, and I must say, I love it. So alright, so let me get into the information about this hair or this company. So this company is called LEEVEN Hair. They are Amazon based company. I'll leave their link in the description box down below. So this company reached out to me and they sent me 8 packs of their passion twist hair in the color 1B, 22 inches. So their hair came with accessories, which is what I have in here, and it also came with a crochet needle or crochet hook. That's the one that I was using. The crochet hook. So from my personal opinion about this hair, so 2 hooks, I guess. My favorite thing about this hair is the feel, like the texture of the hair. Even though it is Kanekalon fiber, it is soft, and it is very easy to work with. Sorry about the noise, the bag noise. It is very easy to work with. It doesn't shed, and even if it sheds, it doesn't shed a lot. Even if it sheds, it doesn't shed a lot. You get no tangles, little to no tangles. That's key when it comes on to twisting hair, because listen, when you're twisting hair, the last thing you want are tangles. Yeah, so like I said, I'll leave their link in the description box below, all their contact information, everything down below, their email, everything. So yeah, that's that. And as I said, the name of the company is LEEVEN here, LEEVEN. I'll leave their name right here so you guys can go check them out. And like I said, this fashion twist here is bomb. As you guys can see, I don't need to say much. Bomb. So yeah, and then another thing that I must point out about this hair, let me show you. So I've worked with other fashion twist company, and their strands are not as full as this. So with that being said, that is why my twists are so chunky. Even though I used 4 strands of hair, my twists are chunky. So with the other fashion twist hair, I must say their strands of hair are not this full. So yeah, that's one. That's another thing that I like about this hair. So I'll also be doing a giveaway with this hair. Yes, so when it's the time for the giveaway, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, so that's that for this hair. So that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop your comment, turn your post notification bell on so you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a video. So yeah, bye.
Let you go.